I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose security and privacy right here. Then select the fingerprint ID and tap fingerprint management. So before you add your fingerprint, you need to set some backup method. It could be the PIN, or you can change the unlock method and you can, for example, use 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. In my case, let me use the pattern. So let's draw the pattern. Let's do it twice just for confirmation. Tap done. And now you can add a fingerprint. So let me choose new fingerprint. Now you can enroll the fingerprint. The sensor is located right here. So let's start tapping the fingerprint sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. Alright, as you can see, the fingerprint is successfully enrolled. So right now you can just tap OK right here. As you can see, this is your fingerprint. You can change the following settings if you would like to, or you can just lock your device by power key. And now if you would like to use your phone, you can use the pattern, or you may enable the device by using the fingerprint. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.